Welcome to Info to How to use ChatGPT. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how you can use ChatGPT with different applications and in different use. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So as you can see right here, I'm on the OpenAI website, and over here you're just simply going to go ahead and click on Try ChatGPT. I'm going to click on Try ChatGPT, and it's going to open up in another tab right here. And in order for you to use ChatGPT, you're going to have to create an account. And the sign up process is very simple. You just simply click on sign up. It's going to ask you for your email address. You just simply put it in here, you click on continue, and add a phone number. Now I have already created an account, so I'm just simply going to go ahead and continue with Google as well. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and continue with Google. You can continue with Google as well, either a Microsoft account or Apple account. It depends on you. Now, when you first log in, this is how it's going to be presented to you. This is going to be your main workspace. Over here on the left hand side, you will have all of your different chats with different, categorized by different months. As you can see right here, I've been using it quite a bit. And over here, you are going to go ahead and start using it. Over here, as you can see, you have some examples in order for you to go ahead and see it. And right here are the capabilities and the limitations as well. So as you can see, it is limited knowledge of the world and events after 2021. So basically, its servers are backed until 2020. Keep that in mind. It won't be able to tell you things that are happening after 2023. So it won't tell you things that have happened after 2021. So keep that in mind. So for example, if I just simply ask ChatGPT for best movies of 2023, right? As you can see, it gives me this option right here. There, as you can see, it doesn't have access to real-time data, and its knowledge is up to date only till September 2021. Therefore, it doesn't have a lot of information, but it still gives you this answer of lists of movies that have released right here. So keep that in mind, that it is limited into real-time data. Now let's go ahead and delete this chat as well. As you can see, you can delete it right here by just simply clicking on the trash can icon right next to the chat. Now, in order for you to use ChatGPT, is very simple. You just simply ask it different questions. So as you can see, explain quantum computing in simple terms. Got any creative ideas? You can basically ask it anything you want. So for example, you can even ask it for Java codes as well, which I will show you in a little bit. So in order for you to use ChatGPT, you just simply type your message right here in the message box. Let's say you want to know how to start a YouTube channel. So you just simply text, "Hi, how do I start my own YouTube channel?" You just simply ask him the question, and he's going to go ahead and give you a brief summary on how to do it. So over here, as you can see, starting your own YouTube channel can be an exciting venture. Define your channel's niche, plan your content, set up a Google account, create a YouTube channel, create channel art, equip yourself with necessary gear, and basically it gives you all these 13 steps in order for you to understand how to create your own YouTube channel. If you want, you can go ahead and ask it for further details. Can you elaborate? Let's say right here, can you elaborate more? So as you can see, now it's giving us a little bit more to read. So as you can see right here, compared to this message and this message, we have more words, we have longer sentences. So that's why we can go ahead and, ask it for more. We can ask it to elaborate more, summarize more. It's a very, very good tool. You can even ask it to do different stuff as well. For example, you can even ask it to write you scripts. You can ask it to summarize videos or summarize different articles, write different articles as well. But remember guys, this is the 3.5 version, which is limited. So the number of words within the article or whatever you are trying to write will be limited. Now let's go ahead and show you some use cases. So over here, as you can see, I have used it in the past, and over here I asked ChatGPT to summarize this article right here, or this is basically a transcription of a video, and I asked it to summarize it, and it gave me a very small summarization over here, and I wanted to get it into points, so it also summarized it in points as well. So as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it gave me 9 points of this transcription. So you can use that as well, and you can use ChatGPT with other extensions as well. So for example, let me show you. I have this extension right here called the YouTube and article summary. This is basically a ChatGPT extension that I had downloaded in order to get, YouTube summary. So for example, if I come over here and go to YouTube, and let's say we want to get a summary of this video right here. So what I'll do is, as you can see, the extension is activated and we can see it right here. So all I would have to do is just simply click on the extension, and it basically gives me a summary of this entire video with timestamps as well. So as you can see, at 4:48, Mr. Peterson goes ahead and says these words right here, but as you can see, they are also summarized. So as you can see, this is a very good extension that you can use in order to save time from YouTube and get more out of YouTube as well. If you wanted to just quickly go ahead and copy a specific sentence, a dialogue, or words, you can go ahead and use this extension as well. It's really, really creative. And here are some more extensions that I highly recommend you use as well. So this is called ChatGPT for Google. This is basically an extension for Google. So if you go ahead and install this, it will display a ChatGPT response along with your search engine. So for example, if I go ahead and add it, I had used it before, but I had to remove it because, I really didn't use ChatGPT a lot, but it is helpful for other people who want to use it. So over here, as you can see, it is now installed. We are good to go. So if you go ahead and search for anything you want, right? Let's say I search, as you can see, I searched for Oppenheimer right here, and it basically gives me a ChatGPT option as well. So over here, it gives me this entire paragraph on Mr. Oppenheimer and the movie as well. So as you can see right here, it works. So you can go ahead and use this extension as well. It's really, really good if you just simply want to have ChatGPT's answer and Google's answer. You can have both. So as you can see, you can find different extensions to use for ChatGPT as well. And other extensions that I highly recommend that you use, let me show you, is Luna. Now, another awesome ChatGPT extension that you can use is called Luna. This is ChatGPT for your browser. This basically turns your browser into a ChatGPT. So over here, as you can see, you just simply type what is object-oriented programming or whatever you want, right? And it basically redirects you to ChatGPT as well. And you can even highlight or specific words, and you can just simply go ahead and send it to Luna, and it'll send it to OpenAI ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will give you its answers. It works really, really well. So if I go ahead and add this as well to my extension board, so there we go. So over here, as you can see, I have it right here and it's installed. And if I just simply go ahead and highlight, let's say this sentence right here, or this words, I right click it and we have Luna sent to ChatGPT. I click it, it'll automatically send it to ChatGPT over here, and it basically gives me the answer right here, and I don't even need to type anything. So this is also a very, very useful extension to use. So as you can see, there are hundreds and hundreds and many use cases for ChatGPT to use, if you were wondering about that. Now, as I said before, you can even use ChatGPT to write different codes as well. So let's go ahead and test that out. So all I would have to do is, how do you write codes, or what type of codes can you write, right? Let's ask it straight up, it gives me these answers right here. So as you can see, we have Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Java, C++, Ruby, and Bash as well, which is source script as well. So you can go ahead and ask it to write codes as well. So let's say, you want to write a code for a specific theme or specific word. So let's say we wanted to write a code or a snippet for a simple website animation. So here we go. So I asked it to write a CSS code for a WordPress website animation, and it gave me the CSS animation as well. And it also tells you to go ahead and replace your button class with the actual class name of the button. And it also tells you the color that it will change to. So as you can see, when the button is hovered over, it will smoothly change its background color from this to this, and it will scale by 10% using transform. And as you can see, you can go ahead and edit this piece of code as well. So you just simply have to go ahead and copy this piece of code and just simply add the CSS to the website or the place where you add this code, and it'll basically go ahead and create an animation for your website. So over here, you can even create your own custom animations for your websites as well. So as you can see, The use cases with ChatGPT are endless if you know how to use them. So you can go ahead and ask it anything you want. And if you were wondering what can ChatGPT do, let's go ahead and ask it. What can you do? Over here is it's giving me different answers. So over here, as you can see, writing, code writing, language translation, language understanding, text summarization, sentiment analysis, text computations. So as you can see, there's around 14 things that it can do, but of course there are more, and depending upon the way you ask it, it'll give you more answers as well. So there are tons of things that you can do with ChatGPT, and of course my video won't cover all of them, but generally speaking, these were some of the useful use cases that you can use ChatGPT for. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notification, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.